Do it again. Nice. Do it again. You just hit it. I got you. You green whenever.
This one help me right here. You send the foot right here. You know what I'm saying? Probably the part. Listen to take that.
Mission granted. Yes, sir.
No, you did, nigga. I'm telling you. Damn, hold on now.
Target DOA.
What the fuck?
It's on safety, nigga. Yes, sir. All right. Get it. Yup. It's 100 feet.
100.
Permission granted. Oh.
Zoom in on the target all the way out there.
Mm-hmm.
150 feet.
Mm-hmm.
That's as far as you could go.
Mm-hmm. Right on top of it. I ain't gonna lie, I might not hit out here, bro.